Hey, what's up guys? One half of the Caper Couple back, and today I just want to show you guys, got a parcel in the mail. So, do an unboxing, and my nice little knife, show you guys what came in today. Now, I've been waiting guys for pretty close to a month on this. Really close to a month. Now there's supposed to be two of this item in here. Hopefully there is, because the box is awful small. Hopefully it's not just one. It's supposed to be two, so yeah, there's two. So there's a battery, so you guys can just guess what this is. Give you one guess, guys. Well, there's supposed to be two extra batteries, and there's not. There's only one off the start, so, and only one package. Wow. Well, this is disappointing, guys, because I ordered two of these, but I'm gonna have to contact the guy. So look at that. This is a little older of a drone. It had a bad review when it first came out, and it was like $500 at the time. But the company supposedly went back and fixed all the problems that this drone had, so I decided I'd take a chance on it and give it a go, because I know I've seen reviews on it after the fixes were done, and this little thing works good. So we'll open the box, guys. This is called a Wingsland S6. It's a 4K drone. It's a GPS drone. So there's your drone. What else is in the box? Let's see. We lift that cover. We have some material, Wingsland material. Just the instructions. And we have a plastic cover that we left out of the way. We have a cool little screwdriver to take your blades off. We have a battery, so I have two batteries with it, charge cable, and the charger, and some spare props. So there you go, guys. So I'm going to actually take this drone with me today to go film, and you'll actually see some footage of it in one of the later videos coming up. But I just wanted to show you guys that, and that's about it, guys. So you'll see footage pretty soon. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, make sure your post notifications are on, guys. You never know. Channel grows big enough, maybe we'll give one of these away next, something like that. We'll see, guys. We'll see what happens. So love you guys, catch you later, peace. Hey, what's up, guys? Day 2, and the second one just came, so let's see what's in this one. Hopefully it's what I'm expecting. It should be the same as the first one, but the delivery guy told me he had it in the truck since yesterday, but it had the wrong address on it. So luckily he didn't bring it to the other address, or somebody would have had a free drone, because half of the people around here would keep this on you. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting. This one is sealed, so there you go, guys. Wingsland S6, I mean, sorry. And that's it. Got my spare battery. Yep, that's it, guys. So just want you guys to see what I have here, and catch you later, guys. Peace.